Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make a simple pasta with fresh pomodorini or mini tomatoes, basil, garlic and peperoncino. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half. Chop your garlic and your basil. In a large non-stick pan, heat the oil with the garlic, the basil, the cherry tomatoes, and the salt. Mix everything together. When the cherry tomatoes start to breaking apart, cook your pasta in boiling salted water. That will take about 12 minutes. When the pasta is cooked, add it to the tomatoes. Add about a cup of the water from the pasta to the sauce and mix everything together. Transfer to a platter and serve with Parmigiano Reggiano. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Buon appetito!